Next, we're going to talk about bonds. In Arizona, there are really 5 different release conditions for people who have been arrested. And when someone gets arrested and they're in jail, the first thing they want to know is how to get out, which is completely valid. And there are 5 different ways that people can be released pending the case, pending their charges. The first is called OR, that's on own recognizance, meaning you're on your own. It's a promise to appear and nothing more. A lot of the lower level offenses, say someone who's been charged with a misdemeanor DUI or a lower level felony, secured appearance is not necessary, and what they do is they say, you're released OR. There's also pretrial services, and this is for people that maybe have prior convictions. Maybe there's something on the person's record that gets the judge's attention, and the judge could release you to pretrial services, which is basically like being on probation. So as long as you meet with the probation officer, as long as you maybe do drug and alcohol testing, you could be released pending the outcome of your case. Then there's third-party release conditions, and people ask me about this a lot, mothers and fathers asking if they can avow or go to the judge and say, Judge, I'm going to guarantee this person's going to be there. I haven't seen a judge impose third-party release conditions in about 12 years. So I don't think that's really a valid way to get someone out of jail these days. I just don't see it anymore. Now there's bonding, and everybody wants to know, how does bail bondsman work? How do you bail somebody out? There are 2 different kinds of secured appearance. One is cash only. So if it's a cash only bond, that means you can't go through a bonding company. In cash only, it's you got to come up with the money and you can't use collateral. There are other forms of bonding where you can go through, on secured appearance, you can go through a bonding company, but you have to make sure it's not a cash only bond. You go to the bonding company, and let's say that the bond is $20,000. You normally would have to put up about $2,000, but you'd have to have $18,000 worth of collateral. So you have to have a house or something that bonding company could put a lien on. And those are the ways that you can get out of jail while you're facing criminal charges. If you have any questions about that whatsoever, you can call 602-989-5000. That's 602-989-5000. Thank you so much.